Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm here with this beautiful slime. And I've also got a special guest here with me. So, okay, I haven't got a really special guest. I just wanted to say that, but I don't have anyone here. I will literally, I just made a video playing with this, but I realized my camera wasn't even on. So, sucks, doesn't it? Yeah, the lighting's not very good on this camera, but need a better one. Yep. And also, guys, I have a brother. I don't know his channel, but he has a YouTube channel, so go subscribe to that. And also go subscribe to my sister's channel. Well, it's also both of our channel, and you can see my actual face there. Our channel is called Tori and Brooklyn Slimes. Well, Brooklyn and Tori Slimes. And yeah. This slime feels amazing. And you might see this slime on Tori and Brooklyn Slime, so yeah, make sure to go check that out. You might not see it yet. Might be it for an upcoming video. The reason is, though, here, let me just go take you on a journey. Well, I'm not actually allowed to do this, so, ouch. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I'm not very sure. This is me. Yeah, that box is very messy. I need to sort out that box before I do anything else, but yeah. And also, soon my sister will be coming onto this. She doesn't have an LPS channel. She has a channel called Brooklyn Slimes. You could go check that out. And yeah, I guess it's a bit of a short video. I'm not very good. Yeah. I just wanted to show you a couple of slimes with my LPS. So, I love this slime bit. Let's just... Ow. I just want to lay here forever. Forever, I mean about 20 minutes. And I mean 20 minutes. The camera fell. Sorry. Ugh. Do I have slime on my face? No? Sorry, producers. Oh my god. I love rainbows and cupcakes. My motto is everything in the world is rainbows and cupcakes. Dun dun dun. It's actually really not, because I'm a bit sad, but I really could use some subscribers right now, so yeah. Just please go subscribe to my channel, I guess, yeah. That's all I have to say for today. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why the hell did I come here if there's nothing for me to be here? I told you you're a producer. I want to be more than a freaking producer. Ooh, what's this? It's my slime. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, don't do it. Ugh. It's my slime. Beautiful. Guys, ignore her. She's a little weird. She's crazy. And I mean crazy. I heard that. Ow. Ha 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 ha. Okay, everyone. I'm the top of the spot now. So, yeah. All I wanted to say was goodbye. Yeah, so, goodbye. This is my video now. Not that little two-faced brat. Ugh. That hurt. Thanks for pushing me off. You fell. Don't go blaming everything on me. I knew what you were going to say then, and I've told you a million times, no swearing. What's that? I don't even know. Whatever. Anyways, guys, I just want to say, please subscribe to my channel and put a comment down below if you want to see some of my more LPS. As I said, I don't have proper LPS, and I'm going to get more on my birthday, which is in next month, so yeah. I guess I'm going to be changing my mascot soon, so yeah. I guess I'll see you guys later. See you guys. Mwah. Get on my damn video. Get on my video. Say what? Yeah. Bye, guys.